Hello everyone, it's Si here at Si Moto Photo. Welcome back to the channel, and thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Drop likes in the videos and put comments in the comment section. It really helps the videos a lot, and I appreciate you doing it. Sorry about the delay in me coming back to do a video. I've not done a video for the last 3-4 weeks. In fact, probably even longer than that, 4 weeks to a month. And the reason for that, quite simply, has been the rain. I've not been able to get out with bikes and do reviews or do much else, to be honest, because of the weather. So apologies. What that's taught me is that I'm going to go out and do some reviews and keep them in an archive so that I can post them up weekly for you. So I'm learning as I go. I'm quite new to this, so thanks for bearing with me with this channel. But today is a special day. We've got a delivery of a couple of different bikes. 3 bikes are coming today actually, and one of these bikes in particular is quite a special thing. It's a limited edition run of our Tiger 900. So come on and we'll get a look at it coming off the transporter. We'll unbox it and you can tell me what you think of it in the comments. Awesome, man. Let's see what this guy looks like, man. Let's see what this guy looks like. This is exciting, man. This is exciting.
Christmas time all
Let's
over
just
again.
unhook this actually. If you give me the snatch one, hook this one at the back here. Okay, man. Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Very red. very
Very red,
red.
isn't it? It's very red.
And the graphics.
That's
as well.
quite striking, isn't it? That is quite striking, actually. So it's got cruise. It's got heated seats. No, not heated seats. It's got cruise control. It's got electronic suspension at the back. It's got your engine bars at the bottom. Quick shifter. Superb. Superb. Centre stand. What do you think, chaps?
Stunning. Looks better in the flesh than it did on the website.
I think so.
100%.
Picture doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, 100%.
Is it subframe white?
Yeah, subframe white. It's got bottom engine bars on it, which I wasn't expecting. It's obviously got the Aragon edition just there built into here.
This is lovely, the contrasting colours.
The white paint's metallic
White,
as well. See
yeah,
it?
Yeah,
Superb.
fantastic looking.
quite impressed with it. I must admit, really impressed with it.
It's absolutely stunning in the flesh in it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. I certainly enjoyed it, so did the boys. That one's a bit different. We've been waiting that one coming for a while, and it looks far better in the flesh than it does in the pictures. So if you're at a loose end and you fancy dropping down to see it, we'll have one down at the shop. You can come and get a see anyway, get a sit on as well. But thanks again for tuning in to Cymoto Photo. Look out for some more videos coming very shortly. I've got some interesting things dropping, some reviews of bikes that you might not be expecting me to review coming very shortly. Plenty of Triumph content is always coming up, but there's something in particular I think you might quite like coming in the next few days. But thanks again for tuning in. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take it easy, man. Over and out.